Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Tennessee. That's right, babe. We still down here kicking it with Boosted. We got Mustang Mike over there walking around. We're having a blast, y'all. You can tell we went to the track the other day. We're popping out here. Anyway, Boosted 931's about to give me a ride in this sick GTR. Yes, sick GTR. And he's told me he's gonna let me drive it too, but we're gonna give that to you guys in a different video. So, let me hop in and let's see what this bad mamma jammer is all about. Right, Boosted? Let's get it. Let's jump into this bad boy. Oh, bro, this is sick. Oh, this is freaking awesome. All right, what we got here?
Put it in race mode.
Oh. You hear that, ladies and gentlemen? Boosted said we are in race mode. Oh, yeah. We got to get a little bit of heat in these R888s, and then we should have some fun shenanigans.
That's as basic as you can get.
Right. You gotta get some heat in the tires and the engine. I love it. You hear the little turbos.
Now the car will not do a boost launch unless the car's warm and it's on.
Right.
It's nowhere near being warm.
That's alright. We can just friggin' go down for a little rip down here. She hooks. She hooks.
Get up there. Ready?
Let's do it.
Gonna hit it right now.
Doing good. Doing good. See in the bottom right hand corner, y'all. Boost gauge. Nope. Watch. There we go. Woo! Nice pole. Very nice. Get yourself some of that, y'all.
Boosted launch.
Nice, brother. Very nice.
What do you think?
I think it's fast. I think it's pretty fast. Now, I'll tell you what, from a dig, Sublime's going to have a hard time keeping up unless that thing dead hooks and the two-step works.
This thing will be good. That's no boost offline tune either. It's still on 93, full tank of gas, full weight.
Now, do you have an E85 tune for this?
No, I'm gonna get it.
You're gonna get
Not
one, right
before
on.
we race, but
Right.
I'm gonna get it.
Oh. That all-wheel drive. Oh yeah, twisties, baby. Oh yeah.
That's probably one out of Sublime's life too.
Right there, yes. Holy. Woo, buddy. That was a good rip. That was a killer friggin' rip. Oh. Oh man, I'm glad I'm wearing a seatbelt. Keeps me from going through the dash. Yeah. Golly, bro.
This thing's a rush.
It's a rush,
I'll tell
dude.
you how this thing is.
It's fun, dude. Hey, that was sick. This is a sick ride, y'all. Woo, mailbox. And we're home. Here's a little boosted launch in the driveway, y'all. Hey, no beats. Oh my God, you guys. Woo, we're home. Oh. Hang on, Shorty. I'm gonna tell everybody. So, you guys, oh my God. The GTR is fire, y'all. The GTR is fire. Man, that boosted launch reminds me of being in Vegas in them Lambos, man. You can't beat that boosted launch. You cannot leave that launch. Yeah, boosted says it's not a boosted launch, but let's face it. The second he lets go of that brake, that thing's in the boost. There ain't no lag by any means. So, hey, boosted. Thanks a lot, brother, for the ride. It was an absolute rip. If you guys enjoyed this content, give me a like, smash the subscribe button, share it out with all your buddies, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace, everybody.
Ready?
Sure, bro. Let's do it.
All right, I'm gonna get out of here. We're gonna switch.
All right, y'all. Let's do this. I can't believe it, you guys. Look at this. It's really happening, y'all. It's really happening. Look at this. Oh, my God. Can you believe it, y'all? Look at this. All right. Now I got to have the camera over to Boosted, and he can film. Oh, man.
I have to just